I first want to give a big thank you to all of my current subscribers. I adore you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of my studio squad. If you are currently watching this video and you are not subscribed to Kiata Studio yet on YouTube, make sure that you do. Just click that subscribe button. You can also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new YouTube video. In this video, I will show you a lot of new purchases for my small art business. This is a huge haul that I have packed into one video. I recently purchased all of this stuff from different companies so that I can use it for my art business. Make sure you watch the whole video because I have the prices listed and I give you a short description of everything. Hello Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. I am Amber. This is my pet puppy Milo. I know that today's backdrop is different. I'm giving a shout out to my friend Pink. She is the one that made this beautiful balloon art wall. She also created 2 balloon centerpieces for a virtual party that we had in my home recently. I'm first going to start with items that will help me get paid as an artist. This is the Graphic Artists Guild Handbook, Pricing and Ethical Guidelines. This is the 15th edition. When I ordered this, the 16th edition was on pre-order, so I got this because I wanted to get it in my hands so bad. If you are a graphic artist and you're not sure what to charge your client, I suggest that you get this book and get familiar with it, because you may be charging something for $200 when in reality you shouldn't charge nothing less than $1,200 for that service. So get your money. This is the dock for my Square Reader. This dock charges my Square Reader. It also accepts 2 forms of payment: the cards that have the chips in them and also contactless payments. So if someone has an iPhone and they want to pay with their iPhone, I am able to accept that payment. This docking station brings a contactless feature to my business because I don't have to hold my customer's card. This is the Hemi gouache paint set. It has 24 colors. They come inside of jelly cups. It has 3 paint brushes, a palette, a carrying case, and it is good for people that are artists and students who like to use gouache or are familiar with watercolor painting. I paid $30 for this on Amazon. I paid $27 for this set at Office Depot. This is a Pigma Sensei manga drawing kit. It comes with Sensei pens, a mechanical pencil, and the chisel point pens. These pens are great to use for bold lines when creating details for comics, illustrations, and lettering. I purchased these from Michael's Crafts. It cost me $23. It is the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils, and there are 36 of them inside of this metal tin. These color pencils are supposed to be high quality, smooth, and deeply saturated. I know some professional artists that use these. This is a Chinese traditional large brush. I am going to use this for watercolor and maybe gouache as well. This cost me $10 on Amazon. This is a large scale splatter brush. I purchased this at Michael's for $14. I am going to use this for the splatter technique when I am painting with acrylic and maybe watercolors. A stainless steel palette knife. This cost $5 at Hobby Lobby. I got it so that I can mix my paints. An artist brush bucket. I like the fact that it is foldable, so that makes it easy to travel. It's supposed to be waterproof, so I can put the water inside the middle. Also, it has pockets on the side for me to put my paint brushes. This only cost me $3 at Artists and Craftsman. I think that it was on clearance. This Easy Clean paint tray is only $7. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I am going to mix my acrylic, oil, and gouache paints on this tray. I have 5 new AD markers. These cost me a total of $20 at Plaza Artists. The Naples Yellow is a replacement for my other Naples Yellow because I use it so much for lighter skin tones. I also purchased the Spectra colors in light umber, stone, terracotta, and the color cool gray 20%. This is the first generation Apple Pencil. I am going to use it with my iPad. Yes, it is the first Apple Pencil, but it's still pretty expensive. It is $100 at Best Buy. This is $80 at Best Buy. I believe it's definitely worth it because I can use it for several different devices if I want to. This is the Magic Mouse 2. I am going to use this with my iMac, my MacBook Pro, and maybe the MacBook Air. If you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, most likely you recently saw me unbox my new MacBook Pro. This mouse is definitely going to come in handy for my Apple products. The rugged 2 terabyte external USB Type-C portable hard drive in the color orange and silver. I got this from Best Buy. It cost $110. I am going to save my work for my clients on here, my graphic designs, my videos, my photos. This has more than enough space for me to save my work on it. This external hard drive is also compatible with my new MacBook Pro. I found this new clear case for my MacBook Pro on Amazon.com, and it was only 16 bucks. So I'm glad that I was able to find it, and it was so cheap. Also, I didn't see any of the clear cases for my MacBook Pro at Best Buy. I plan on adding some stickers to this case and maybe some dried flowers. I'll see how it turns out. The enhanced cryogen gaming laptop cooling pad with 5 ultra quiet cooler fans and 2 USB ports. This can fit laptops up to 17 inches. This 100% works. I'm currently using this card in my camera right now to record this video. I purchased this at Best Buy. It cost me $50. It works well. I buy this brand all the time. I purchased this at Best Buy for $15. I got it for my professional Nikon cameras. I bought it so that I can clean my cameras. It comes with lens cleaning pen, dust blower, lens cleaning tissues, solution, and a cloth. The first time that I cleaned one of my Nikon cameras, I used a cotton swab, and I also used a can of air. And then I found out that you're not supposed to use a can of air to clean the area inside of the camera that I used it for. So I'm glad that I actually have something legit, and it will help me keep my cameras clean without damaging anything. A ProMaster wrinkle resistant backdrop in the color chroma key green. This color is excellent for shooting video clips. If you would like to have a green screen and change the background, then this will do it. Also, blue is good for a green screen or blue screen. This is a huge tube of Glassine paper. I purchased this at Amazon. It cost $26. It is acid free. It has a neutral pH. It is commonly used for artwork and photographs. It is 24 inches wide and 150 feet long. This sealer cost me $50 on Amazon. I am using this to seal up bags for when I ship out my products to my customers and clients. This commercial grade binding machine cost me $109 on Amazon. I use this machine often to create my journals and monthly planners. Using this commercial grade binding machine provides a professional finish for my products. They also include some spiral and wire binding spines inside of the box to get you started, so that's really good. 3 of these came in a pack for a total of $7. I purchased these from Amazon.com. These are durable black felt edge vinyl squeegee tools. These are commonly used for window tinting, but I use these so that I can close the booklets that I make very nice and evenly without wrinkling the edge. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Key Out of Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.